Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily integrate Chatgpt to your Microsoft Word. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word and go to the Home tab. Then on the right upper corner, click on Add-ins, then click the Get Add-ins button down here. This action will open a new tab which contains the Microsoft Store. On the search box, type in OpenAI, then enter. You will have lots of options to choose from. Some are free and some needs to be purchased. Let's just choose a random one like Spellbook here. Then click on the Add button, then click the Continue button. This action will install and add Spellbook to your Microsoft Word. And after that, just click on Get Started and you can use the features made available to you through Spellbook. And now you're done. You have successfully integrated ChatGPT into your Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.